In a tiny cabin home where every inch counts, the creative arrangement of storage cabinets become a key innovation in maximizing space and adding visual appeal. This particular design showcases a smart combination of diagonal and conventional cabinet layouts, creating a dynamic spatial experience while maintaining optimal functionality. The diagonal cabinet system breaks away from traditional linear storage line, introducing a fresh angular rhythm that not only serves as storage but also enhance the aesthetic character of the room. These cabinets integrated seamlessly with conventional layout, forming unique corner storage solution, asymmetrical shelving, and unexpected volumes that guide movement naturally through the space. This layout approach makes even the smallest cabin feel structured and spacious, offering design zone for daily essential without the clutter. Beyond utility and the arrangement acts as a visual feature, adding depth, variation, and personality to the interior. It's a thoughtful response to the challenge of living small while embracing creativity and function in perfect harmony. For those seeking compact living ideas, this combination of diagonal and straight line cabinetry is inspiring space-saving solution that proves style and utility can thrive even in the tiniest homes.